My name is Dave Garl. I'm the Newmar account manager, and I'd like to take some time today to take you through the new 2019 Ventana. Ventana grants you access to more than a dozen unique floor plan designs for 2019, offering more choices than many custom-built coaches at a fraction of the cost. Take a seat in one of our flex steel power adjustable captain's chairs and notice extras like wireless charging mat, a passenger seat workstation and footrest, and even adjustable gas and brake pedals. Our Comfort Drive adaptive steering system comes standard with 40 and 43 foot models, adding passive steer tag axle technology that makes maneuvering your coach easier than ever. Get where you're going with an available Rand McNally navigation system while you keep everything in sight with help from both side and rear view cameras. The Ventana features the Winwood interior decor, while the floor plan 4348 is full of welcome surprises. It starts with a pair of recliners in place of standard hide-a-bed sofa and continues with a breakfast bar outfitted with 2 bar stools. A bunk sofa is also an option. There's a solid wood base cabinet and a stunning dry bar topped with a retractable Sony 4K TV connected to Blu-ray player, the Bluetooth Bose soundbar, and 2 available Wi-Fi access solutions. Polished porcelain tiles extend the length of the coach, along with a vent-free featured ceiling, backlit carved wood fascia, and partial wood window treatments. Floor plan 4348 also involves a hide-a-leaf dinette with 2 upholstered wood chairs. Even though we've already covered some of the standout features associated with the Ventana 4348, there's still plenty more to see in the angled kitchen space, including a folding countertop extension, a large wood pantry with full-length shelves, and this gorgeous Bermuda glazed maple hardwood cabinetry. Appliances include a Whirlpool French door refrigerator, convection microwave, and an optional dishwasher. Finally, a stainless steel double bowl sink comes attached to a versatile chef's faucet. Here at Midship, we have a walk-through master bath with a glass door shower with all new fixtures and a maintenance-free Centrel acrylic wall. There's also a standard water conservation system that lets you redirect cold water back into your freshwater tank. In this floor plan, the 4348 master bedroom, we have a king-size bed with an available sleep number, adjustable mattress, a leather-wrapped headboard, and a beautiful patterned bedspread when you choose the Winwood Decor. Stacked hardwood drawers with solid surfaces sit just below the Sony 4K TV with a Blu-ray player. While over to your right, you will find a full-length rear wardrobe with space for available Whirlpool washer and dryer. Ventana is available in 13 floor plans for 2019, ranging in lengths from 34 to 43 feet. 4348 measures 43 foot in length and includes 4 power slide-outs. 34 and 37 foot Ventana models are built on Freightliner XCR chassis, providing 360 horsepower, while the 40 foot and 43 foot floor plans are available with either Spartan K2 or the Freightliner XCR tag axle chassis. All Ventana motorhomes come with a Cummins Own and Quiet Series diesel generator delivering 8,000 watts of energy. All are precision welded to the Newmar Star Foundation, exclusive steel superstructure that delivers a quieter ride along with a more durable chassis. This particular Ventana features our Winwood Masterpiece paint finish, made possible by BASF and Industrial Finishes, along with a carefree Traveler power side awning, an optional pass-through basement storage tray, and available outdoor entertainment center with Sony TV and Bluetooth soundbar. From all of us here at Newmar, I want to thank you for taking the time to go through the new 2019 Ventana.